2015 Chevy Equinox 4-cylinder. I'm gonna make a quick video on the Serpentine belt replacement. It's kind of confusing. So jack up the car, turn the wheel all the way to the passenger side. There is a shield here with two clips. Take them out and like I said, jack it up with the jacket stand. If you go underneath, I'm gonna show it to you. On the tensioner, let me see if I can show it to you from here. Right there on the tensioner, there, you can use the ratchet, loosen it, and take the belt off and put the new one in there. That's the only way, because I didn't see any video on this case. 2015 Chevy Equinox 4-cylinder Serpentine belt replacement. Thank you guys for watching.